Hi, it's Pilar Kellenbarger from Collecting Our Angels, Nurturing Our Children. And to all the moms, dads, or grandmas, time to go take that break. Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. K. And today we're going to read Knuffle Bunny. This is probably somebody's favorite, I hope. Title page Knuffle Bunny. So, not so long ago, before she could even speak words, Trixie went on an errand with her dad. Trixie and her daddy went down the block, through the park, past the school, and into the laundromat. That's where we wash our clothes sometimes. Trixie helped her daddy put the laundry into the machine. She has the pants on her head. So cute. There's Knuffle Bunny in the laundry basket getting ready to go in and get all clean. She even got to put the money into the machine. Oh, we all know how we love to do that. Then they left. But a block or so later, Trixie realized something. Uh-oh, maybe her little bunny wasn't supposed to be in the basket. Trixie turned to her daddy and said, Aggle flaggle coggle. That's right, replied her daddy. We're going home. I don't think that's what she was saying. Aggle flaggle clobble, said Dixie again. Blobble plobble, wumble plobba, snump. Why is she talking like that? Because she's a baby. She's a youngster. Sometimes they don't know how to talk when they're only one or two. Now, please don't get fussy, said her daddy. Well, she had no choice. Trixie bawled. Rah! She went boneless. Look at her. She has no bones. Trying to hold her up. She did everything she could to show how unhappy she was. By the time they got home, her daddy was unhappy too. Oh, he does not look very happy. As soon as Trixie's mommy opened the door, she asked, Where's Knuffle Bunny? Uh-oh, look at Daddy's face. Now he understands, I think. The whole family ran down the block and they ran through the park. They zoomed past the school and into the laundromat. Trixie's daddy looked for Knuffle Bunny and looked and looked and looked. But Knuffle Bunny was nowhere to be found. Oh, look at the eyes on Trixie. Oh my goodness. So Trixie's daddy decided to look harder until Knuffle Bunny. Oh, Trixie's happy again. And those were the first words Trixie ever said. Oh, how sweet. Oh, my goodness. So I hope you enjoyed this. And everyone, be good listeners to your parents or your grandparents and have a great, great day.